sir wants to add to it. He is here.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
सर
नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते। सो अच्छा, एक तो कैमरा एडजस्टेड नहीं है तो मुझे देवेश का सिर नहीं दिख रहा, राइट। सेकंड थिंग, मैं थोड़ी देर हिंदी में बोलूंगा और आपकी वीडियो पॉज हो गया। मैं थोड़ी देर हिंदी में बोलूंगा और आपको मम्मी जो है वो ट्रांसलेट करके बताएंगी। इज दैट फाइन? योर वीडियो इज पॉज। ओके। सो you are aware now with all the alphabets. Video is paused. You are aware about alphabets?
इंटरनेट कनेक्शन
हाँ, ये इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ पॉज हो रहा है वीडियो बार बार। Am I audible?
यस यस योर वीडियो इज कमिंग फ्लॉलेस आवर साइड
ओके,
वीडियो कॉल
ठीक है। सो आर यू अवेयर अबाउट अल्फाबेट्स? ठीक है, तो तेजस विल लिसन टू मी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। देवेश विल राइट ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, राइट alphabets. So after alphabets, alphabets can be bifurcated into two parts, vowel into three parts: vowel, semi-vowel, and consonants. Are you aware about all three? Video is paused again. So alphabets, then all the alphabets are bifurcated into three domains: vowel, semi-vowel, and consonants.
इंग्लिश फास्ट फास्ट
हाँ,
सर
video
बेटा
is paused. Video is paused.
सर बट योर साइड इट इज कमिंग फ्लॉलेस यू
अच्छा, तो
कैन
मैंने
पॉज
मैंने बोला पहली चीज होती है अल्फाबेट्स, और अल्फाबेट्स को हम बाइफरगेट करते हैं वॉवल, सेमी वॉवल एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स में।
राइट मेक इट 3 सेक्शन राइट
ये
vowel
तीनों ये आपको तीनों पता है, वॉवल, सेमी वॉवल एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स? देवेश, आपको पता है? आर यू अवेयर अबाउट वॉवल, सेमी वॉवल एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स? यू नो ऑल द थ्री?
only vowel and consonant
नो सेमी वॉवल्स, यू आर अवेयर? ओके, ठीक है। सो कीप दैट in the quotes that you need to know about semi-vowels. Now, when you combine the alphabets, what is your name?
Dabesh
Debesh. How do you write in English?
D
Uh,
E E E S H
okay, so write on a piece of paper Devesh. So now you have written your name in three parts. Devesh. Is that fine? Are you with me on this?
is
Now,
D EBESS.
हाँ मतलब देवेश और देवेश, राइट, एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. Originally it is va only, but when you pronounce in Odia it becomes ba. So thus the original word is devesh only, but devesh got transformed to debesh because of the pronunciation difference. Now the words have a meaning. So you know words which have a meaning. So now, do you know the difference between word and meaning? तो वर्ड एंड मीनिंग के लिए देर आर अल्फाबेट्स एंड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अल्फाबेट्स. अब वीडियो पॉज हो गया था शायद. मैं मेरी बात समझा पाया? मैम आप बीच बीच में ट्रांसलेट करते जाइए अगर कोई चीज का क्लैरिटी नहीं है तो.
जी.
सो वी हैव वर्ड, अल्फाबेट्स ट्रांसफॉर्म टू वर्ड्स विच हैव अ मीनिंग. तो अगर मैंने देवेश बोला तो दे वे श, या मतलब दे बे श, अगर मैंने इसको चेंज कर दूं, बे दे श कर दूं, तो क्या सेम मीनिंग होगा?
Did you understand? The arrangement of the letter will change, will have the same meaning? No.
So what makes the things meaningful needs to be explored, right? Okay. Now what you are doing, अब these words when arranged as a combination of words become sentence. So write below words and meaning, write sentence. From multiple sentences, you form a paragraph. You form a paragraph. Are you aware about paragraph? Right. Now, from multiple paragraph, combining multiple paragraph, you get one chapter. Right? Are you aware on this? You know what is a chapter? Now, from combining few chapters, it becomes a book. Right? To write a book below that. Now, combining few books meaningfully, you get one subject. Are you with me on this? Combining few subjects meaningfully is what we do learning in life. ठीक है? Now, for a meaningful life, we need to understand what is changing from alphabets to life. The video is paused.
No, we are able to listen.
Okay, so what I'm trying to say is for a meaningful life, one needs to understand the connection from alphabets to life. So, how it will move? First, alphabets, then understanding the difference between different alphabets as vowel, semi vowel, and consonants, on the basis of which we do combination of alphabets, two letter word, three letter words likewise, and we get words and their meanings. Post that words and meanings, when we combine, we get sentences. So a meaningful combination of word is sentence. A meaningful combination of sentence is a paragraph. A meaningful combination of paragraph becomes a chapter. A meaningful combination of chapter becomes a book. A meaningful combination of books becomes subject. And meaningful subjects required for one to learn is what makes a complete meaningful life. So, from where all it got started?
The semi-vowel and consonants.
So,
The
it all
alphabet.
started from alphabets. It all started from alphabets. अब let's suppose for a while what all we are discussing, अभी लाइट चली जाए, there is no light. ठीक है? Imagine a situation when I'm saying, Debesh, you need to write one paragraph and suddenly light goes. Will you still be able to write? You need to speak up. मुझे बीच बीच में वीडियो पॉज हो रहा है तो पता नहीं चल पा रहा है.
No, no.
So what Dr. Aarti ma'am is teaching you how to see while with your closed eyes. And when you are able to see with closed eyes, there is no fear also. Let's suppose Mama thought of punishing you and she closed you inside a washroom and switched off the light from outside. For her, it will be punishing you. But for you, it is enjoyment because with closed eyes also you can see. So people are going to think that they are punishing you, but with a dexterity of working with open eyes and closed eyes, you will be perfect in terms of functioning. Let's suppose you are playing piano and suddenly light goes. Will you be able to perform the piano? No, but after learning all this, you can perform even in dark. Because the moment there is darkness, the inner light will give you an expression to learn and perform the same way as if it is with eyes. Do you have seen movies of martial arts? Do you watch movies in martial arts? You don't watch movies in martial arts. Okay, so watch a movie. कौन सा था ये? Have you seen Kung Fu Panda? Okay. So Kung Fu Panda, which volume you have seen?
All.
All three. Okay. So in Kung Fu Panda, there was nothing like with closed eyes. And have you seen Karate Kid? Have you seen Karate Kid? Okay. So that is your homework for today. you have to watch The Karate Kid. ठीक है? So वो कराटे किड इज अवेलेबल, आई थिंक यूट्यूब पर तो होगी मैं अदरवाइज आई शेयर दैट लिंक. तो उसमें क्या था कि देर वॉज वन फाइट गोइंग ऑन एंड सडनली somebody threw something in the eyes of the student and he was not able to see, and there were people who attacked him during that duration, but the kid knew how to protect himself during night as well. So he simply closed his eyes.
Paused.
Video
It's
paused.
paused.
हाँ. So what was the last thing I
Internet
said?
connection is unstable. Now it came. No,
हाँ, तो
second.
मैंने मेरा लास्ट क्या बोला, अब जो मैंने मतलब मैंने क्या लास्ट बोला जो आपने सुना?
Or that suddenly light went up.
हाँ. तो वो कराटे किड में एक जगह क्या होता है कि वो फाइट हो रही होती है एंड somebody कुछ आंखों में डाल देता है एंड एज अ रिजल्ट ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू सी. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ वरिंग, इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग इन फियर, अब क्या होगा, मैं कैसे करूंगा, ही सिंपली क्लोज्ड हिज आईज एंड स्टार्टेड seeing with closed eyes. Yesterday, Tejas said, I can listen from my heart and from my touch. हाँ, from my nose. Is it possible with all these students? No. देवेश की क्लास में कितने बच्चे हैं जो आंख बंद करके कुछ भी पढ़ के बता सकते हैं या देख सकते हैं?
Is anybody in your class like that?
So that means you are becoming exceptional in terms of learning and development. So the process which ma'am is teaching you is going to give you kind of a superpower. Not flying, not flying, but it will be a superpower to you. So don't try both of you in terms of flying at the moment, but you might get someday something which gives you different powers as well. But for a meaningful life, the alphabets are the most important thing. So what we are doing as a research is alphabets in English vis-a-vis the comparison of alphabets in Odia, and the origin of Odia is from Sanskrit, so the alphabet combination in Sanskrit are going to make a meaningful change for everyone in the learning and development domain. मैं मेरी बात समझा पाया? ये वीडियो इज पॉज्ड.
No, we are able to listen.
वीडियो पॉज हो गया था. तो to get better concentration, to get strength, the process of studying with closed eyes is going to make a meaningful difference. But now, for this meaningful difference, who is the elder one, Tejas or Debesh?
Devesh.
Debesh is elder one, and Tejas is younger one.
Younger one.
Okay. So it is whose responsibility to teach the younger one? The younger one or the elder one?
The elder one.
The elder one. So here, who is the elder one? Oh, so the younger one is beating the elder one, eh?
No.
Very powerful younger one. So younger one must say, sorry, Dada.
Darwin. Darwin.
And the elder one will say, it's okay, I am the elder one, I have more power.
It's okay.
I am the elder one,
I'm the only one.
I have more power.
I have more power.
ठीक है? So now who will teach the younger one by understanding better? Who will teach
Elder
the
one.
eh?
Elder.
Elder one?
Elder
Right.
one.
So here the elder one is Debesh. So it is the duty of Debesh to first understand alphabets in English, alphabets in Odia, and alphabets in Sanskrit. Now there are three subjects, all going to merge in the matrix which we have shared. So alphabets, then words, from words to sentence, from sentence to paragraph, from paragraph to chapter, from chapter to subject book, and from book to subject, and from subject to
Yes.
life. So,
Yes.
so with all this matrix in mind, you need to observe how exactly each alphabet, while closing your eyes, is vibrating at which point within your body with closed eyes.
Yes.
ठीक है? So now we'll do a small exercise and you'll tell me where you are observing with closed eyes a particular alphabet. Right? Okay. So just close your eyes and I'll say Shreem, E, Shreem. 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 So now where did you observed E in terms of what is
In
your
the middle.
observation in E?
In the middle. He was in the middle of Shreem. No,
E
not
was in the middle of Shreem, but while closing your eyes, where did you observed E within you?
in the ears.
Sorry?
In the ears.
E in the ears. So, Tejas, you need to sit back tight without moving here and there and observe for 1 minute. Shreem, E, Shreem with closed eyes, and where the E sound happening within you with closed eyes you need to do. Just close your eyes. I'll again repeat. Shreem, E, Shreem. Shreem, God bless you. Shreem, E, Shreem. Shreem, E, Shreem. Shreem, E, Shreem. Shreem, Yum, Shreem. Shreem,
Uh,
Yum. Hmm.
the E sound is happening in the middle. Here.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. That is the perfectly right location to identify. Perfectly right. You're absolutely perfect. Okay. So now we'll do the second part, second alphabet in the similar manner. close your eyes. Tejas, you need not to move again and again. Just focus simply closing your eyes, feeling your breath from nose to navel, very, very silently. And Shreem, Yam, Shreem. Shreem Yam Shreem 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 Yum 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 yum. Now, where is the vibration of yum inside your body?
Here.
Mhm. Not
Inside the
here.
whole body, somebody completely differently.
तो आपको ना ऑब्जर्व करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज ये अल्फाबेट्स विद इन योर बॉडी एंड आउटसाइड योर बॉडी आर क्लियर एंड विजिबल. जैसे आपने पहले ई वाला पार्ट हार्ट की तरफ टच करके बोला, दैट वाज राइट पार्ट. यम वाला पार्ट जो है वो आपको कैसे ऑब्जर्व करना मैं ऐसे बताता हूं. जैसे अल्फाबेट्स जो होते हैं वो 50 मतलब संस्कृत में 51 अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं. सो वो हमारे हेड रीजन में होते हैं, वो हमारे नेक रीजन में होते हैं और हमारे बिलो नेक रीजन में होते हैं. मैं मेरा पॉइंट समझा पा रहा हूं? वीडियो पॉज.
Paused. Sir, it's paused. After the
हाँ
neck
तो
region, it's paused.
सो जो अल्फाबेट्स हैं दे आर इन द हेड, दे आर इन द नेक, देर आर इन द बिलो नेक रीजन ऑल्सो. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू ऑब्जर्व वेयर ऑल आर द अल्फाबेट्स. तो मैम ये वाला पार्ट तो आप भी इनको एक्सपीरियंस करा सकते हैं ना.
जी.
तो
Yes.
इनको सिर्फ आंख बंद करा के स्पेशली देवेश विल गाइड तेजस हाउ टू एक्सपीरियंस. आपको सिर्फ फैसिलिटेट करना है बिकॉज देवेश इज द एल्डर वन और ये उसकी
जी.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो यंगर वन को अच्छी तरह सिखाए. एंड यंगर वन को एल्डर वन को मारना नहीं है. ठीक है ना. सो हु विल टीच हुम? देवेश. तो so your mother will teach Devesh and Devesh will teach to Tejas. Am I able to explain myself?
Yes.
Right. So आपको
Yes.
आइडेंटिफाई करना है उड़िया अल्फाबेट्स, इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स, संस्कृत अल्फाबेट्स विद इन योर बॉडी. All the alphabets are bifurcated in three zones: vowels, semi vowels, and consonants. So, what are semi vowels? You'll need to understand from Google. Semi vowels in, you can write it down as a homework for you for the next class. Semi vowels in English, semi vowels in Odia, and semi vowels in Sanskrit, so that you can understand the difference of different sounds. Semi vowels in English, Odia, and Sanskrit.
Yeah. That's Indian language. Yeah.
ठीक है. So with this we'll close for now and we'll connect again in the evening time 7:30. Is that fine?
Yes.
Right. Now entire responsibility is now on Devesh. Devesh. And you please also try to understand what is the difference between Devesh and Devesh. You can write it down with the in terms of spelling. Debesh and Devesh. So what is the difference in English, Odia, Sanskrit, in all three languages? So you can Google it and you can find it out.
Yes.
ठीक है? Right.
Yes.
Okay, ji. Good night. Thank you so very much for your time.
Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste. Bye bye. Take care.